Hey everybody, so I picked up some little hobby motors from eBay. We're just gonna go quick look through what they are and what I'm gonna be using them for. It is an item that I'm gonna be using on the 4Runner, so please stick around, check out the video, and I'll see you guys there. Thank you for watching. Hey everybody, so this is going to be just a quick little video. I picked up some little tiny hobby motors on eBay. A buddy of mine, I'll leave a card up for here for his channel. His name is Timmy the Toolman. He's a great guy, does a lot of Toyota videos, 4Runners, and Sequoias, and so on. He did a recent video, and I also link up here in the corner a card for the video that he did replacing the door lock actuator motors. And these are just little tiny hobby motors. It's very nicely packaged. And I'll probably leave, I might be doing the same type of video, I don't know, but I'll definitely buy from this gentleman again. Mops Electric, FC 280 motor with collar. It says car door lock and mirror motor. These motors are used in hobbies for, oh, he sent a business card too. That's very cool. I'll definitely have to save him in my eBay list. But it was nicely packaged. So we're going to be replacing the door lock actuator motors, which are these little guys right here. And the funny thing is they're just little hobby motors, like RC car hobby motors. 2, 3, 4, 5. They have the little tangs right here, which is they just clip in. And mine are just extremely weak. They're 20 years old, so I figured, you know what? They do have a pretty strong magnet. I believe that these are brushed. They do have their own separate polarity. If you try to put them together this way, they don't want to go together. Like at the corner they do, but in the center they don't. I got 5 of them. All 4 doors in the truck. I'm going to see if the 5th one can be used on the door lock actuator for the rear hatch. But they're very nice. They actually have a pretty strong force to the through the plastic to the toolbox. But I'm going to rewrap these up until I get to that project. I'm not going to do it right this moment. It's dark outside and it's been a really long day. But just a quick video, just an upcoming project. Let me know, guys, down below if you guys want me to record it. If you don't want me to record it, it's no big deal. I'll just install them. I will definitely leave Timmy the Toolman's channel and video in the description, or not the description, but here in a card. But it's going to be at the very beginning of the video. It's not going to be right here. The very first time I mentioned it, I will post it then, which is like 30 or 40 seconds in the video. But just quick little update. The seller was really nice. It's nice that he sent Mops Electronics 2020, has a calendar on the back, and on the front is his eBay ID. Motors, power supplies, and other electronics. Your satisfaction, our #1 priority. We greatly appreciate your positive feedback and 5-star ratings. Which I haven't left one yet, but sales at mopeselectric.com, eBay, and link. And it says he's in Mushin, New Jersey. It got here pretty quick. It got here in literally 2 days. So that's pretty great. But I'm going to cut the video around here. I don't want it to be too long, so please like, comment, subscribe. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to also try to see if I can take the window actuator motors out, see if they're the same. If they're the same, we'll also be doing a video on the actual window motors, replacing those, because 3 of my windows roll down extremely slow. Actually, I'd probably have to buy 6, 4, 5, yeah, 6, because I have a moonroof. But if the motors are the same, I'll end up doing a video on the window regulators as well. But again, I appreciate you guys' time. Thank you so much for sticking around and watching and hanging out with me today. Please like, comment, subscribe, smoosh, and smash that bell notification icon if you guys want to see future updates. Go check out my Amazon affiliate links, my Acme Tools affiliate links, my Ohio Power Tool affiliate links, as well as my DJI Electronics affiliate links. I will make sure that I leave the eBay listing for this in the description down below if you guys need them for your 2000 Toyota 4Runner or a 96. These will work from 96 to 2002 if I remember correctly. So we're gonna have to be careful and remove, you know, the actuator and pop the plastic open and try not to break it, because mine are still working, but they're slowly dying, and they're just not strong enough for me to reprogram the key fob. That's why I'm doing this. You know, I will also link, you know, if you can't find the card up here, I might link Timmy's video and everything in the description below. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace!